baby, you will fall 'cause you smoked a bong. What do you want? We're writing a song.
Boom!
Boom! Bing! Bang! Boom!
That's how it happens. It just comes.
It really does, though.
It's like Spider-Man, like blowing.
They're the birds for you.
There's some lyrics for your. Lines of lyrics.
Lyrics for you to ponder at. Yeah, because you make a lot of them. Because you're dumb and immature and full of crap.
That's